In a historic unveiling event at Payerne Airport, Switzerland, Sirius Aviation has set the skies ablaze with its revolutionary Sirius Jet, a marvel of hydrogen-powered vertical takeoff and landing VTOL technology. Crafted in collaboration with BMW's Designworks and Sauber Group, this aircraft marks a paradigm shift in regional air travel. This marks a new chapter in sustainable aviation, and we are presenting a vehicle that will completely transform the aviation industry, says CEO. In 2025, the Sirius Jet will take flight in two versions, the Sirius Business Jet private jet and the Sirius Millennium Jet, crafted for commercial aviation. Welcome to our in-depth review of the Sirius Jet, the groundbreaking hydrogen-powered aircraft that's set to redefine regional travel. Looking to charter an aircraft? Aviapages.com offers a comprehensive directory of charter aircrafts. You can search by aircraft type, registration number, serial number, operator, airport, ICAO, country or city. Filter by special services if you need efficient ambulance aircraft for medical emergencies or a reliable cargo aircraft for transporting goods. Filter by aircraft year of production to ensure you get the latest models, or opt for a classic. Refurbished year filter lets you choose aircraft that have been recently updated for optimal performance and comfort. And if you have a preference for operators from a specific origin, filter by operator origin to narrow down your choices. In this video, we'll explore the innovative features, unparalleled capabilities, and the potential impact of this game-changing aircraft. The Sirius Jet represents a leap forward in aviation technology, combining the efficiency of hydrogen-electric propulsion with the versatility of vertical takeoff and landing VTOL capabilities. Crafted in Switzerland by a renowned family of aviators with deep roots in aerospace engineering, this aircraft is poised to revolutionize the way we think about regional travel. Let's delve into the performance aspects of the Sirius Jet. With an impressive flight range of up to 1,150 miles or 1,850 kilometers, this aircraft transcends the limitations of traditional electric VTOLs, offering unmatched range and endurance. Powered by a hydrogen-electric ducted fan propulsion system, the Sirius Jet achieves a cruise speed of 323 miles per hour or 520 kilometers per hour, while maintaining a noise level of less than 60 decibel. A remarkable feat in the realm of aviation. Safety is paramount in aviation, and the Sirius Jet spares no expense in ensuring passenger well-being. Equipped with an airframe parachute system, the aircraft boasts an unparalleled safety record, effectively reducing the incident risk to virtually zero. Additionally, in the event of a critical emergency, the emergency parachute system is programmed to deploy automatically, providing an additional layer of assurance. In an era of increasing environmental consciousness, the Sirius Jet shines as a beacon of sustainability. As a zero-emission aircraft, it leaves no environmental footprint, offering a cleaner, greener alternative to traditional fossil fuel-powered planes. With its hydrogen-electric powertrain, the Sirius Jet sets a new standard for eco-friendly air travel, paving the way for a more sustainable future. The Sirius Jet is not just a marvel of engineering. It's a testament to human ingenuity and innovation. From its state-of-the-art hydrogen storage system to its advanced two-phase thermal management system, every aspect of the aircraft is meticulously designed to maximize efficiency and performance. With its unique blend of cutting-edge technology and aerodynamic design, the Sirius Jet represents the future of flight. This achievement didn't happen in isolation. Sirius Aviation's partnerships with industry giants like BMW Group's Designworks, Sauber Group, Alfleth Engineering, and ALD Group have paved the way for this groundbreaking innovation. Together, they've rewritten the rules of aviation, proving that collaboration breeds success. The countdown to 2025 has begun, and with it, the dawn of a new era in air travel. The Sirius Jet isn't just a plane, it's a symbol of progress, innovation, and limitless possibility. As pre-orders open for the hydrogen-electric propulsion system, anticipation builds for a future where the sky truly knows no bounds. In conclusion, the Sirius Jet is more than just an aircraft. It's a symbol of progress and possibility. With its unrivaled performance, uncompromising safety features, and commitment to sustainability, it stands as a testament to what can be achieved when vision and innovation converge. Whether you're a business traveler seeking efficiency or an eco-conscious adventurer, the Sirius Jet offers a glimpse into a future where the sky is no longer the limit. Experience the freedom of direct, point-to-point flights and the versatility of vertical takeoff and landing with the Sirius Jet. The future of regional air travel is here.